Welcome to our TeamGuru video tutorial. TeamGuru provides multi-level approval process for your documents, and in this video we will walk through this process together. And let's get started. Here you will see that I'm already in our documents module. Here are my documents under my folder, but let's say that we will go ahead and create a new document. In that case, we just click this green plus button in the right upper corner. And now we are ready to define our document settings. So let's just put some details in. And here, as you can see, you are not able to set up your approval process yet because you have to first save the document version. So once we save it, Details button will appear right here, and now you are able to select your approvers once you click on this Details button. And in this new window that just pop up, you will get all the details that needs to be set up. Approval process is based on approval process template that it will be managed by your system administrator or anybody who will have a sufficient role to do so. But it follows the same standardized process as before when you will choose either individual users or user groups. Under details, you will also have an option to select whom to inform when approved and whom to inform if rejected. These groups differs from the whom to inform group under notification access tab in document setting, just FYI. Here you will be also able to see approval condition and process will finish that is driven by the template. And now you can see that you are also able to add more than one level to your approval process when you can just click add step. And you complete step 2 exactly the same way as step 1. You add your approvers. In details, you will choose whom to inform. And approvers from step 2 will receive automatic notifications to approve document after step 1 is done. And you can add as many levels as you need to. You will also see a history of any changes to your approval process. And once you are done with all the information, you just click apply changes. And of course, once your document is ready to be sent for approval, you will click Save and Send for approval. And before we finish today, I would like to show you quickly our approval process template. As I mentioned before, you can manage your approval process template only if you are a system administrator or if you have a sufficient role to do so. And if you do, you will go to Settings in the right upper corner. From the submenu, you choose Approval Process Templates. And here, when you go to your document approval process settings, you will see that you will have 2 tabs to work with, approval steps. Here you will be setting up approval condition, close process, adding another steps if needed. And under log modifications tab, you will be able to customize your template by enabling or disabling these options. And this is pretty much it. If you have any questions or need any assistance, please don't hesitate to contact us at support@teamguru.com. We would be very happy to hear from you.